Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jobs in Telugu States. So now I am going to upload one library science question paper. The post name is Library Information Assistant. This exam recently conducted by the IISER, Indian Institute of Science Educational Research. This is one of the premier institute in India. So as a library resource person, I am uploading this question paper for my professional friends, library professional friends. Those who are watching my channel, it's very useful for all competitive library competitive exams purpose. I am uploading this question paper. Now go through this video. I am explaining on questions and answers already in bold letters and highlighted. So one by one I am going to read. Please follow my channel and subscribe. Please click on bell icon for more and getting more updates in future. Okay, now first question I am going to read. First question is, identify the correct metadata types from the among the below. Metadata types among the below, please identify. And question number 1 and we will see options. Options we will see options given: descriptive metadata, structural metadata, retrieval metadata, administrative metadata. Out of 4 options, 1, 2, 4 is correct andi. So 3 is retrieval metadata, is not a metadata format. So 1, 2, 4 is answer. Third one, already answers are highlighted, you are seen in this picture, are very visible. And question number 2, identify InfliBnet subject gateway for Indian electronic resources from below. Identify InfliBnet subject gateway for Indian electronic resource from below. Options are given: Shodhganga, Shodhgangotri, Infofort, Enlist. So answer is third option, Infofort. Infofort is the answer for question number 2. It's already highlighted and it is seeing on block letters. Now question number 3, the web-based research information management, it's called RIM, RIM, web-based research information management, RIM service developed by InfliBnet Center is. This is the question and question number 3. The answer is IRINS. Answer is fourth one, IRINS. Now question number 4 andi, InfliBnet Center under its project Shows Shuddhi is a recent initiative. Shows Shuddhi provides which of the following web-based plagiarism detection software to all institutions and universities? ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి Orkund. ఇవి ఆల్ ప్లాగరిజం సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఇచ్చారండి ఆప్షన్స్లో. గివెన్ ఆల్ ప్లాగరిజం సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద ఆప్షన్: Turnitin, Orkund, Qtext, Drillbit. So answer is Orkund. Next question number 5 andi. Question number 5, we go for next page. Directories fall under which categories of information sources? So answer is tertiary sources andi. Directories అనేవి tertiary source of information resources andi. Options lo primary, secondary, tertiary, meta options given, but right answer is third option, tertiary. So next question number 6, which of the following is not a primary source of information? Not, please see the questions once again. Which of the following is not primary source of information? So options, right answer is bibliographies. Bibliography is not a primary source of information. Remaining 3 are primary sources of information: patent, proceedings of meetings, research articles. These all are primary source of information. So not in question mentioned not so. Right answer is bibliographies. Next question number 7, identify the odd one out, అంటే different one. given four options, so one is different one compared to three. So odd one out is CILIP, Chartered Institute of Library Information Profession is the different one. Remaining three are Indian level institutions, so that's why first option is different one. CILIP is the different one. Next, question number 8. We will see question number 8. Wait. The tag for field of subject added entry topical term in Mark 21 bibliographic format where we enter keyword is. This is a question and the answer is 650. Option 4, 650. Tag numbers given out of 4 options, so 245 tag, 651, 655, and right one is option 4, 650 is the right one for mark tag 650 for subject added entry. So this is the right answer. So question number 9, among the below which is connected with a user authentication in access to e-resources. Right answer is 134. So 134 is the right answer andi. Next, question number 10. The search protocol used to create bibliographic entry in library management software using copy cataloging is. Answer is Z39.50. This is the search protocol andi. This is for create bibliographic entry in LIM library management software lo copy cataloging which search protocol is used. So right answer is Z39.50. Option 2 is the right answer. What is the theme of Dublin IFLA World Library Information Congress in 2020? This is the latest question given. This is the latest information. Recently, IFLA World Level Library Information Congress held in Dublin. What is the theme of that conference? In this question, it is asked like latest bit. And answer is, the theme is first one, option 1 is the correct. Inspire, engage, enable, connect. This is the answer. So question number is very important and recent initiative. And question number 12, identify the assistive technology software from a given list. So give 4 options. Which one is the assistive technology software? Answer is 1 and 2, JAWS and NVDA. NVDA is the answer. JAWS, JAWS, option 1 and 2 is the right answer. Assistive technology softwares. Next, question number 13. Go for next page. Arrange the following laws of library science in order as given by Ranganathan. 4 options given. Say ascending order, library 5 laws of library science given. Save the time of the reader. Library is a growing organism. Every book has its reader. Every reader is her book. So we will arrange one by one. Is 4, 3, 1, 2 is the correct sequence as for Ranganathan 5 laws library science. Next, question number 14. Arrange the following subjects in ascending order according to DDC. DDC ascending order, DCC numbers, subject names given out of 4 options: biology number and earth sciences. You all aware about the DDC numbers as a library professionals, so you can easily find out. You can make it correct. Physics and mathematics, the correct sequence is as for DDC number 4, mathematics first, 3 physics second, and earth science and biology. So option 3 is correct answer. Next, question number 15. Identify the correct family of mark formats from below list. That's the question. And answer is second one, 1 and 3. Classification records and holding records is the right answer. Family mark formats of correct family mark formats, classification records and holding record. This is the right answer for question number 15. And question number 16. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize from Science and Technology 2020, the discipline of biological sciences, was awarded to. This is as a part of current affairs. It is asked recently. Given Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar is a reputed award, prestigious award in field of library science and technology. 2020 year in the field of biological science, whom got this prize like that. This is some out of the syllabus, it's asking from current events. The answer is next page, I think. Answer is 1 and 2. Jyotirmay Desh and Vatsala Tirumalai. 1 and 2 is the correct answer. They both 1 and 2. Vatsala Tirumalai, Jyotirmay Dash won the this award. So next question number 17. The Indian Electronic Thesis Dissertation Repository managed by the InflibNet is called as Shodh Ganga. Electronic thesis and dissertation ku Shodh Ganga, you all know about this. Is the simple bit, very easy and simple one. Next question number 18. The file format extension used for indicating image file. Which file extension used for image files is easy one, and this is also previous question. It is asked so many library exams. So right answer is JPEG. This is the image format. JPEG is the right answer. Next question number 19. National Science Digital Library in India managed by Indian National Science Digital Library. Please, library professionals, please see this carefully, this question. National Science Digital NSDL of India managed by NISCARE, and the right answer is option 1 NISCARE. And National Digital Library Kharagpur is monitored by Kharagpur IIT. So this question is special one. National Science Digital Library managed by NISCARE and this. So please note down this one. And question number 20. Web Traveler is basically an application. Web Traveler is basically an application. We will go option for next page. Web Traveler అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇండెక్సర్ అండి. వెబ్ ట్రావెలర్ ఈజ్ ద ఆటోమేటిక్ indexer tool. So next question. The birthday, question number 21. The birthday of which following great scientist is observed as a World Students Day? This is a general knowledge question and question. So answer is APJ Kalam. On memory of APJ Kalam, after Kalam death, it's celebrating as a World Student Day. Kalam's birthday is celebrating as a World Students Day. And next question number 12. The number of web services in Open Archive Initiative post metadata harvesting protocol. OAI PMH protocol. Which service? And number of services in Open Archives Initiative post metadata harvest lo unna how many number of services it is asking like that. 6 services andi. Option 2 is the right answer. Option 2. Next question number 23. Identify the content management systems for among the below. Which one is the content management system? In this question it is asking. Right answer is option 1 and 4. Drupal and DSpace. Both are the content management softwares. So right answer is 1 and 4. Drupal and DSpace is the right question. Next question number 24. Identify open source software for library automation. Which one is the open source software for library automation? It is asking. So answer is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 3. Option 2 right answer. 2 and 3 is the correct answer for question number 24. Next question number 25. The locks lot of copies keep stuff safe. I think it's abbreviation. A locks program which provides services and open source technologies for high confidence, resilient and secure digital preservation is based at? It's a question asked, it's a repeated question, it asked UGC NET exam also. Option 3 is the right one, by Stanford Libraries. Stanford Library is the right answer. And next question number 24. Next we will go for question number 26th. Classifying catalog code stands for. It's a CCC stands for. It is asking like that. Everyone knows is a common basic question in library science. Classified catalog code. Define CCC defines for like that is asking. Classified catalog code is the right answer. Next question number 27. The agency responsible for assigning ISSN number, and it is located at where? ISN number given by, is this a common basic bit given by NISCARE? It is located in Delhi. Next question number 28. Next question number 28. In library administration, GOC stands for. GOC is also basic bit, and everyone knows it's a basic bit. GOC stands for Good Offices Committee. Option 4 is the correct answer for question number 28. Next question number 29. ISBN is a unique code currently having 13 digits. Earlier it is 10 digits. Now it is updated as for 13 digits. ISBN is currently having 13 digits. Next question number 30. The Copyright Act governing the laws and applicable rules related to the subject of copyrights in India enacted in the, is nothing but asking. Copyright Act is enacted in the year 1957. Right answer is option 1, 1957 for question number 30. Is also repeated question, so many exams is already seen. Next question number 31. IT Act enacted in the year is also repeated question. Everyone knows in the year 2000. IT Act, RTA, Right to Information Act 2005, everyone knows. Next question number 32. With respect to online database of full text e-journals, identify the statement is false. With respect to the online database of full text e-journals, identify the statement that is false. Which one is the false? And right answer is, one second, number of citation received by the article. This is the false one. Out of 4 options, option 2 is false one. And next question number 33. The term natively digital means, this latest technology bit and innovative bit and never seen before any exam. The term natively digital means, option out of 4 options, B and C is correct. So born digital and digital exclusive, this is repeated, but question is newly thinking, and so born digital and digital exclusive is correct answer. Option B and C is correct answers. Next question number 34. Identify OCR, optical character recognition, OCR software. Which one is OCR software? 1 and 4. OmniPage and Abbe Fine Reader is the OCR software. Out of 4 options, OmniPage and Abbe Fine Reader, 1 and 4 is the right answer. Next question number 35. Research design gives blueprint of proposed research is the right answer. Is a research methodology question and basic question. Research design gives, out of 4 options, third option is correct, blueprint of the proposed research. Next, formulation of fundamental law is pure research. It's also research methodology question. Right answer is pure research. So now question number 37. Formulation of hypothesis is an important component in. Formulation of hypothesis is an important component in research design? Right answer is third option. For question number 37, third option, research design is correct answer. This is also part of research methodology question. Next question number 38, which of the following is not a data collection method? Experiment is not a data collection method andi. The basic bit already repeated question, so many library exams is already seen. Options given: interview, questionnaire, observation. These three are data collection methods. Experiment method is not a data collection method, so right answer is option 4. Question number 39, open-ended questions primarily provide which kind of data? Open-ended question primarily provide which kind of data? Is a qualitative data. Right answer is option 2, qualitative data. Option 2, qualitative data is a open-ended questions primarily provided qualitative data. Next question, question number 40, among the below which is metadata standard? Which is a metadata standard? Right answer is, we will see in options. Option 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 out of 4 option, 2, 3, 4 are metadata format standards. Next question number 41, what is DOAJ? This is a basic question in library information. Directory of open access journals. This is the define of DOAJ. It's a directory. Option 3 is the right answer. For question number 42, Peter Suber is a leading voice scientist associated with. Peter Suber is a eminent person, a leading voice and scientist associated with which party he was very famous for. Open access to knowledge is part of innovation in open access to knowledge. Peter Suber is famous. Next question number 43. For question number 43, ISO 2709 is a standard associated with which of the following activity? ISO 2709 standard for library cataloging. This is also repeated question. It's a basic important question in library information science for library cataloging. Next question number 44, CCF and MARC follow numerical tags of 3 digits. Option 3 and option 3 is the right answer. Common communication formation readable catalog follow numerical tags of 3 digits. So option 3 is the right answer for question number 44. Next question number 45, Koha library management system was created by. Koha software library management software is a open source software. Koha library management system was created by Katipo Communications. This is also repeated question, very important question in library information science. Second option is the right answer for question number 45. Question number 46, identify digital learning management systems from below. Out of 4 options, identify digital learning management system from below. So options: Google Classrooms, Skoogly, Moodle is a learning management software, and Jeffrey. So out of 4 options, 3 are correct. So this question is mentioned note all candidates who attempt their question number 44 for awarded all of get 2 marks. So this question given options given wrong. So right answer, Moodle is also learning management software, Skoogly also learning, Google Classroom also learning management. So candidate choose one option, but 3 are correct option. That's why I mentioned note all candidates who attempt the question will get marks. So next question number 47, who started first library for the use of common public in India? This is a basic question. Who started the library for the use of common public in India? Maharaja Shiajirao Gaikwad is a basic important question in library science. Second option is correct for question number 47. Next question number 48, Google search engine was found by. Google invented by a search engine. Google is a search engine, is founded by whom? Out of 4 options, 1 and 4 are correct. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Larry Page, A and D. So option 4 is correct for question number 48. Next question number 49. For digital identification in metadata schemes, the isolation of digital object may be given using. This question something difficult and innovative and informative question. Latest technology. For digital identification in metadata schemes, isolation of digital object may be given using options DOI, digital object identifier, uniform resource locator, PURL, plural, MEDS. So option 3 is correct. 1, 2, 3. DOI, URL, PURL. These 3 are correct out of. So option 3, 1, 2, 3 is the right answer for question number 49. Next question number 50. The mapping of the elements, semantics and syntax from one metadata scheme to those of another is appropriately known as metadata crosswalks. This is a very important and technology related question from metadata. The mapping of elements, semantics and syntax from one metadata scheme to those of another is appropriately known as metadata crosswalks. Option 1 is right answer for question number 50. These out of 50, 10 questions, my personal opinion as a library professional, 10 questions, 10 15 questions, basic and important questions repeated various examinations in library field. Approximately 15 questions asked from previous papers. Remaining 35 questions, some are more informative and innovative, and they are segregated from technology related questions. So this is somewhat very good informative paper. It's the latest examination conducted by IASER. So friends, please subscribe my channel for next previous papers in library science. Please keep watching Jobs in Telugu State. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please click subscribe and click on bell icon. Prepare for this question paper I am doing for library aspirants purpose. Please prepare well for all library exams throughout India and Telangana Telugu people also, Andhra, Telangana. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you.